Hello. I just got off work, so I'm tired. I'm tired as hell. It's a Sunday. Lazy Sunday. But I won't lie to you, it might not be a lazy Sunday. I'm gonna probably go grapple in the rain again with a couple of boys. I think it'll just be me, Nicholas, and Clemens. I want to do a little more like of a class-oriented session, like working on drilling and stuff, but they just want to roll, so I guess there's that. I've been working on my Choi bars, so I'll probably try it out on Clemens. It works really well on Nichols because he's an aggressive guard passer, but yeah. Let's see. I'll probably play a lot more guard just because it's slippery on the mats when it rains. So yeah. I'm so tired. Let's see. I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap and then we'll see how the session goes. Alright, here's the first roll with Corporal Clemens. I knew he was going to be a little long, so I kept dropping on my knees to set up an ankle pick. Little trip attempt over there. He gave me his hand, so try to set up a duck under here to a single leg. Having a rough time getting mount, so I tried attacking the hands. His grip was still a little strong, so I decided to attack his legs at this point. Just gotta adjust my grip, and then boom. Calling Nick over. I skipped the part because it was mostly hand fighting, but hit my head a little, so it took me a while to recover. I bit my lip really hard. Pulled guard just to work on my octopus game a little bit, but that failed, so. My whole plan here was just to get my butterfly hooks in, just like a transition to like a leg attack. But Nicholas has really good pressure, so. trying really hard to set up another octopus guard, but it's really rough with the rain. Little Choi bar attempt, but didn't work. More Choi bar attempts, but the rain is making it really hard. I think I could have gone for a triangle here, but his hand was already inside. Guillotine attempt, but I was worried with the Von Fluke, so I just let it go. And then I noticed he was a little upright here, so I just decided to smash his guard, catch the guillotine. And I got the tap. A little tired here.